Hi, I'm Upgrader Chip. We have a fun show for you today with all these adventures. Number line, place value, expanded notation, and number names. Let's boot up the first one.
A number line has arrows on both ends and tick marks for each number value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As we move to the right, the numbers get larger. As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller. Let's plot the point 4 on the number line. Draw a dot at the tick mark with the number 4 below. What is the value of point B? Look at the number below. The value is 2. Which is greater, point A or point B? Point A is to the right of point B, so point A is greater than point B. Number lines.
It's time for Chip's practice game program. Get ready to answer questions along with us and practice what we learned. Let's all try our best to come up with the right answers. Here we go.
Read the question and select the correct point for the answer.
I think I know the answer. Is it this one?
That's it. Answer this one.
Which is it? Aha! It should be this one.
Good. Answer this one.
I'm guessing it's this one?
Nope. As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller. The point C with value 0 is less than point D with value 1.
Oh, now I get it.
What is the answer to this question?
I'll try this answer.
Good.
Wow, that song was upgrade-tastic. And after practicing what we learned in the game, I feel like a pro. I'm ready to learn more. Chip, run the next program.
Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Take a one-digit number, it goes in the ones place. 3. For a two-digit number, at a tens place. 83. For a three-digit number, at a hundreds place. 183. For a four-digit number, at a thousands place. Oh yeah, that's right, you got it. 6,183.
Answer this question by selecting the correct digit in the number.
Maybe this is the answer?
That's it. Read the question and select the correct number for the answer.
I'll take a guess.
Nope. The number 9,229 has a 9 in the thousands place and a 9 in the ones place.
I'll get it next time.
Which number is the answer?
What about this?
Good! Select the answer.
I got it!
Right on.
Wow, that was great! I understand it so much better now. And that song is going to be stuck in my head all day. Let's jump into the next lesson. Fire it up, Chip.
Expanded notation breaks up a number into each place value. Write 36 in expanded notation, 3 tenths and 6 ones. 30 plus 6, write 752 in expanded notation, 7 hundreds, 5 tenths and 2 ones. 700 plus 50 plus 2, write 4081 in expanded notation. 4 thousands, 0 hundreds, 8 tenths and 1 1. 4,000 plus 80 plus 1. Expanded notation breaks up a number into each place value.
Write this number in expanded form. Use the arrows to set the thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Then press go.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should be it.
That's it. Put this number into standard form using the arrows and press go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Is this right?
Nope. 400 means 4 in the hundreds place. 30 means 3 in the tens place. No ones means 0 in the ones place. 430.
That makes sense.
Create the expanded form of this number and press go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This has got to be correct.
Good!
That was awesome! What a fun game! I learned so much. There's always more upgrading to do. Chip, what's next? Play the next song.
ONE1 TWO2 THREE3 FOUR4 FIVE5 SIX6 SCVEN7 EIGHT8 NINE9 TEN10 ELEVEN 11 TWELVE 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 Now let's count by tens. 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90. Here we go. 100.
Enter the numeral, which matches this written number.
I've got a good feeling it's this one.
Right on. Write out this number in words.
First this one, then this one. Oh, I hope I did this right.
Nope. 83 is written as EIGHTY. 80. THREE. 3.
Oh, that explains it.
Enter the matching numeral.
Yeah, this looks right.
Excellent. Write out this number in words.
First this one, then this one. Did I get it right?
That's it.
We did it! Look at all that we learned! We learned how to use a number line. Place value taught us the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands places. Expanded notation showed us how to break down big numbers in expanded form. And we practiced writing out number names. Great job! Until the next lesson, I'm Chip, and we are the Upgraders. See ya!